We're on YouTube.
That's all right. You can't get COVID through YouTube.
Okay.
You know why?
Thursday's district court is back in session.
What were you gonna say, Melinda?
I said, you know how I could tell? And what, maybe take a test? I could not taste a pickle on a McDonald's hamburger. And I'm like, uh-oh.
I think I tried, when I was testing myself before the test, I tried Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Oh, did it work or didn't work?
I couldn't taste it, so I knew I had COVID. I was in Puerto Rico.
Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, when you can't taste the sour pickle, that's a problem.
Definitely. Okay, are we ready on Dakari Benin? Is it Benin?
We're ready.
Is that the correct pronunciation?
Yes.
Now calling the people versus Dakari Linnell Benin, ticket number SP 1447551, count 1, no. Improper plates, count 2, driver's license suspended. Please state your appearance for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Dakari Benin. Mr. Benin, identify yourself for the record, please.
Yes, I am here. It's Dakari Bennett.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we'll waive the formal reading the complaint warrant, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea. As to the civil infraction, we ask the court to enter a not responsible plea. And we do have a disposition.
The court enters a not guilty and not responsible plea on behalf of Mr. Linnell or Mr. Benin.
Yes, Your Honor. As to Mr. Benin, your clerk verified that, in fact, he does have a valid driver's license. He also showed me a valid registration for a 2020 Chevy that's in his name, Dakari Linnell Benin, and that expires June 13th of 2023. So based on that, Your Honor, I'm asking for a dismissal.
Okay, Dakari, it's getting ready to expire. What are your plans to renew?
As soon as possible.
Okay, don't forget, because if you forget, you're gonna be right back here again, okay?
Okay, I won't forget.
All right, so the court will acknowledge that that an officer of the court has verified that you do in fact have current registration. The court has also verified your driver's license is no longer suspended. Therefore, we will dismiss these matters without prejudice.
My license was never suspended. I don't know what's going on.
It's not suspended. Now, you said it was never suspended?
Yes, it was never suspended, like never.
Okay, it could have been, did you just not have them on your body at the time?
No, I had it. He told me he didn't even give me a ticket. He told me like everything was okay. The plate, my license, gave me everything back. He just told me to take the tint off of my car and I was free to go. But then I ended up receiving a little card in the mail from 36th District. So I was confused myself.
I'm actually confused too, and I can't even give you any explanation, but I can say that it's no longer, we dismissed it, so you don't have any problems now.
Okay. How do you file a complaint against an officer?
That I can't advise you of. Ms. Cameron, do you have any advice, or do you want to give him a phone number to the police department where he can call and find out?
I don't know exactly how he does it. However, if you're looking to file a complaint, it would have to go to internal affairs. Seriously, I mean, he could have just made an honest mistake. So your chances of being able to proceed on a complaint based on what possibly could have been a mistake is probably pretty worthless, I hate to say. Unless there's something else awry with the traffic stop that you have a complaint about, I would say you don't really have a complaint. But that's just my viewpoint as an attorney.
I just feel like I was harassed, but It's okay. I'll just figure it out myself.
That's what cops do. They harass
Bennett.
kids.
But they shouldn't. So, Mr. Bennett, if you do feel like you have a valid complaint, you can contact the Detroit Police Commissioner or commissioners, I believe. Just Google it and find out what their phone number is.
Okay.
Okay? This definitely isn't the platform for it. I apologize, but try to reach out to one of the Detroit Police Commissioners.
It's okay. I got it.
You're welcome. Oh, you're okay. You're free to go.
Okay.
Have
Thank
a
you.
good day, Mr. Bennett. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Ready on Michael Bott? Now calling the people versus Michael William Bott, ticket number SP 145-11771. One count of unregistered, untitled vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Bott. Mr. Bott, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Michael Bott.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we'll waive the four-reading complaint and warrant ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on the misdemeanor of no registration.
The court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bott.
Your Honor, Mr. Bott did submit proof of a valid registration to the court. Based on that, we're asking for dismissal. We'll stipulate to probable cause.
Okay, the court did actually see the registration for the Toyota in question, therefore this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Bott, make sure that you're keeping the documents in the vehicle with you at all times, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're free to log off.
Thank you.
Oh, you didn't highlight it. Bargaining.
I didn't, because she didn't tell me if he was ready or not.
So we are ready to proceed on bargaining.
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Now calling the people versus Devon Ed Barganier, ticket number SP 145-12431.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Devon Barganier. Mr. Barganier, state your name for the record, please, sir.
What kind of no insurance meant to me? And would you restate your appearance for the record, Ms. Cameron?
Sorry, Judge, I didn't mean to speak over the court. Yes, Melinda Cameron is appearing on behalf of Devon Barganier. Mr. Barganier, please state your name for the record, please.
Devon Edward Barganier.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we'll waive before reading the complaint warrant, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Barganier.
Your Honor, Mr. Barganier submitted documentation to me that he has valid insurance for a 2002 Explorer, and it is valid from April 4th, 2023 to October 4th, 2023. There's two copies of the policy.
Is that vehicle in his name or just the vehicle in question? Is it in his
Devon
name?
Barganier
Yes.
is named insured on the 2002 Ford Explorer. There's a 2020 Ford Fusion that someone else in his household has the insurance for. It's on the same policy.
Okay, so the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified valid insurance in Mr. Barganier's name, therefore this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Barganier, make sure you keep that stuff in the car with you, okay, sir?
Yeah, I did have it with me, but the officer still just wrote me a ticket. I showed it to him and everything. He just still wrote me a ticket because he was trying to holler at a female because she ran into my car and he was trying to talk to her and he still wrote me a ticket. I showed him to him and everything.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Barganier. Sorry for the waste of your time this afternoon. You are free to go.
Thank you.
Right, and I believe Mr. Bryant left. Are you waiving his appearance?
Yes, Judge.
And the people versus Bryce West, no, I'm sorry, is it Wesley Bryce Bryant? Ticket number SP 140-97761, one count of unregistered untitled vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Wesley Bryant. We ask permission to waive his appearance here today for arraignment. And we'll waive the
Okay.
full reading the complaint warrant, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
The court enters a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bryant.
Your Honor, I'm looking at a registration that he sent to me. It is for a 2020 Kia. However, I believe that's a new vehicle for him. He told me the other vehicle, I think it was a Chrysler 300, died. Anyway,
Okay.
the vehicle registration is in his name. It's Wesley Bryce Bryant, and it expires 12/6 of 23.
The court acknowledges that Mr. Bryant does in fact have valid registration, therefore this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. And Ms. Cameron, thank you for your time today. I hope you feel better.
I'm getting there. I feel much better today than I have felt probably in a week. So
Oh, that's good. It's a gradual process, but you are free to go. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Sorry I met